This is Kimi K3, a 2.8 trillion parameter open weight model. Let's follow what happens inside it, from input to output. Let's start at the input. Kimi K3 takes text and images together from the very beginning. Images and video are turned into numbers by MoE v2, then merged into the same stream. Next, the embedding layer. Text and images all become the same kind of number sequence here. From this point on, no layer cares which one it started as. Now we're inside a block. First comes KDA, the part that summarizes and remembers. It carries a compressed version of the past, so even very long inputs stay affordable to process. Then, stable LatentMoE. A router picks which experts this token needs. Only 16 out of 896 actually run. The model is enormous, but only a sliver of it works at once. After 3 rounds of KDA and MoE, one gated MLA layer steps in. It takes a full look across everything, picking up the details the summaries left behind. Then, attention residuals. Each layer can reach back to the embedding and to earlier blocks, pulling exactly what it needs. That's why, even 93 layers deep, the earliest information still arrives intact. Repeat all of this 93 times, and one single token comes out. Of 2.8 trillion parameters, 104 billion ran. Then, the whole thing starts over for the next token. To recap, of 2.8 trillion parameters, only 104 billion run at a time. Widening the flow in 3 directions, then repeating it across 93 layers, produces a single token. The paper is linked in the description.